Hello, I'm the Pavan. Good day, everyone. Here I am to present my internship project where I'm working as an internship in the Spark Foundation from data science and business analytics, where I got a goal as to predict using supervised machine learning and where I got my abstract. The abstract is predict the percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. It is a simple linear regression where it involved only two variables. This is my abstract, my friends. I'm using here Python. Using Python, I'm dealing this project. Let us go to our project. Here's a project. First, I have imported the required libraries and imported the data and I read the data. There are two variables, hearts and scores, with having 25 entries and two columns. And the data types are both are numerical, float and int. And it shown here summary of the data, where summary of data shown the 25 rows, two columns, means score for a student is 51, maximum hours spent by a student is 9.2, minimum hours spent by a student is 1.1 hour. And data preparation, where we are checking whether duplicates and null values are present. So after verifying visualization heat map, we come to conclude that there are no null values and duplicates in this data. And after that, we are visualizing data visualization for to know the relationship between the data, plotting the distribution of data, plotting this distribution in this plot as df dot plot x is equal to input and y is equal to output variable, where I have given style parameter. And next, to get a very nice visualization, I have used a grid and I given title as hours studied versus percentage score, and x label as hours studied and y label as percentage score. This is the graph which I have got after coding. The visualization tells that there is a beautiful relationship between hours and percentage score. If the student studies maximum hours, he will get a maximum percentage. If the student studies minimal hours, he will get minimum percentage. The graph tells like that. And again, now visualizing using linear regression, where I plot here declaring the figure size 6 comma 6, and here reg plot is taken from Seaborn and given input variable, output variable from data, and the required parameters I have given, where I mentioned x label as hours studied and y label as percentage scored. This is the required code to visualize the data. Hence the reg plot here displayed. Reg plot tells that same as in the previous one also. It tells the same thing. Here, if a student studies minimal hours, he will get a minimum percentage. If a student studies maximum hours, he'll get a maximum percentage. Why we are using simple linear regression? Because here in the data involved only one input variable and one output variable. So we are going to predict the percentage of marks or percentage scored by a student based on the number of hours studied. This is a simple linear regression, where linear regression imported from sklearn dot linear model and declaring object as regressor. Regressor is equal to linear regression. Input variable declared to x and y as target variable. And using the formula, we are coming to know the slope and intercept. Hence, we got the slope and intercept values here. And our main task is to predict the given task. Given task, he given 9.25 hours. So how much percentage he might score? So hours is equal to 9.25 hours, and prediction is equal to the formula which helps us to predict the percentage. Hence, by that we get that percentage. So the predicted score, if a student studies 9.25 hours per day, the percentage is 92.90. To evaluate this model, I'm using this formula regressive.score input variable output variable. So we'll get an R square value. Using on that R square value, we declare how the model is. So we are evaluating the model. So we got the R square value here as 95. The 95 value is very good. So we declare that the model fits the data. Hence the prediction is that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, he will get percentage 92.90. This is a prediction I have predicted. Thank you.